It is a very, very busy day, and reaction continues to come in from Washington after the Supreme Court's historic ruling overturning Roe v. Wade, setting the stage for abortion to become illegal in several states across the United States.
And Oklahoma, of course, is one of those states with the trigger law going into effect today. This afternoon, the moderator of CBS's Face the Nation, Margaret Brennan, joins us live to break down where we go from here. Margaret, thank you for joining us this Friday. Abortion decisions now go back to the states. What are the implications with this, and then what comes next?
Well, this is going to have seismic implications on the political landscape of this country. In state capitals and in state courts around this country, we are going to see more fights ahead. You could see governors call in some special sessions as people in their home states frankly dust off these old laws and start to understand them. Oklahoma and Texas have been scrutinized a lot of late, but there are other states like Michigan, their governor's going to join us, who's trying to fight in court locally a 1931 law from being reenacted that would ban all abortion with no exceptions for rape or incest. It also opens up questions of what provisions are going to be provided to women who now carry their children to term. Will they have more maternal health care options? Will they have paid leave so that they can support the children they will now have to bear? We'll talk about that with Arkansas's governor. I mean, this is really just the beginning of many, many stories that we will all be tracking on Sunday.
Margaret, we heard from the president earlier today. What are you hearing at this hour from the White House?
Well, the White House is making their displeasure known. President Biden said that. He also made the point that this was a conservative majority court with 3 justices appointed by former President Trump. He is drawing a direct line back to the ballot box and urging voters to come out in November for those midterm races at the state, at the federal level. But honestly, there's not a lot the federal government can do. Congress never provided this as a codified law. They just never did. The politics have been so thorny around this for so long. So the president can do things like he said today, which is to promise to use the Justice Department and the Health Department to try to guarantee continued access to federally approved abortion pills that could be mailed to individuals who. He also said he would try to prevent prosecution of individuals who cross state lines to go get an access to an abortion in a state where it is legal. So there are some things the federal government can do, but it's really up to the state capitals.
All right, something we'll be talking about for a very long time to come. Margaret, thank you again for joining us. You can catch CBS's Face the Nation every Sunday morning at 9:30 right here on Channel 6.